Dear students, hope you all are fine. In my earlier video, I had discussed about the concept of economic development and its differences with economic growth. In this video, I will discuss about the causes of underdevelopment of a country. So, the study of characteristics of underdeveloped or developing country helps to understand the nature and causes of underdevelopment of these countries. However, it is very difficult to choose a set of common factors responsible for the underdevelopment of a country. This is so because economic development of underdeveloped countries is a complicated process, as the characteristics of underdevelopment are not common to all less developed countries and their objectives are also different. Yet, the economists have provided some common cause of underdevelopment of a country, which are discussed below. So, the first cause that can be considered responsible for the underdevelopment of any country are is the market imperfections. Market imperfection mainly include factors such as factor immobility, price rigidity, ignorance of market, rigid social structure, etc. These factors hinders the smooth working of an economy. In less developed countries, there are large number of workers whose productivity is near zero, yet they do not migrate to more productive occupation due to factor immobility. Moreover, price rigidity restricts the expansion of market and scale of operation, which in turn retards the pace of development. These market imperfections have been responsible for the underutilization and misutilization of resources in these countries. The next factor responsible for underdevelopment of a country is vicious circle of poverty. Vicious circle of poverty is regarded as the most important obstacle of economic development of a country. In less developed countries, aggregate productivity is low due to capital deficiency, market imperfection, economic backwardness, etc. Low productivity means low real income, which in its turn leaves a small surplus saving. A low rate of saving inevitably implies a low rate of investment, and so capital deficiency, leading again to low productivity. Thus, poverty or low real income itself is the major cause of underdevelopment of a country. The next cause of underdevelopment of a country is the lack of capital resources. The scarcity of capital or lack of capital resources is regarded as one of the major causes of underdevelopment of a country. Scarcity of capital is largely responsible for maintaining low productivity in a country. It is due to inadequate supply of capital that inferior labor intensive techniques are adopted in agriculture, industry and other fields of production, which in turn lead to low level of productivity in every field of economic activity. Low productivity leads to low level of income, which in turn is responsible for low rate of saving and investment. Thus, poverty is both the cause as well as the consequence of low rate of capital formation, which in turn lead to underdevelopment of a country. The next cause of underdevelopment is population problem. We all know the rapid growth of population is the biggest hurdle in the way of economic development of a country. And India is one such example where rapid growth of population plays an important role in keeping the development of the country in a backward stage. High population growth hinders capital formation, increases disguised unemployment, reduces productivity, aggravates food problem and creates inflation in an economy. All these factors together lead to the underdevelopment of a country. The next factor is the absence of entrepreneurship. Absence of modern enterprise is an important factor responsible for underdevelopment of a country. The rapid economic development of developed countries are mainly due to the efforts of entrepreneurs who are ready to undertake risks and to promote innovation. But the absence of this sort of entrepreneurship due to unfavorable economic and socio-cultural climate in developing or underdeveloped countries lead to the underdevelopment of a country. Next factor responsible for underdevelopment is hardship of adopting modern technology. The rapid economic progress which is witnessed in the developed countries is only due to the adoption of modern and latest capital intensive technology. But the less developed countries are deficient in capital resources and possess abundant labor supply. Moreover, there is also lack of skilled labor force. Under these circumstances, less developed countries fail to adopt either labor intensive techniques or capital intensive techniques, which results in the underdevelopment of these countries. Next factor responsible for low economic development is human resource constraints. Developed human resource is an important requisite of economic development, we all know that, but in less developed countries, human resource remain underdeveloped, which is an important cause of the underdevelopment of these countries. Underdeveloped human resources are manifested in low labor productivity, factory immobility, limited specialization, etc., which minimize the incentive of economic development. Then another important reason for underdevelopment of a country is political instability. In modern days, political instability is an important cause of underdevelopment of a country. Political stability is essential for inviting domestic and foreign investment to a country. But frequent changes of government, threats of external aggression, insurgency problems, etc., have created political instability in less developed countries, which has adversely affected economic decisions relating to investment. Adverse effect on investment directly lead to underdevelopment of a country. Besides these factors, there are many other factors such as underutilization of natural resources, overdependence on agriculture, widespread illiteracy and ignorance, technological backwardness, etc., which causes underdevelopment of a country. These factors strengthen the forces of stagnation and poverty, obstructs the realization of an optimum allocation of resources, and prevents the introduction of structural changes which lead to the underdevelopment of a country. So, these are the main factors which are responsible for the underdevelopment of any country. So I will end my video with this note, that in case of any query, any doubt, you can always contact me in my number 7002 942 108. Thank you very much.